Jetstone is located in the modern industrial centre of Deurne in the Netherlands. Established in 1993, the company's primary focus has been to produce the finest worktops for the kitchen industry. Jetstone has now grown to be one of Northern Europe's premier suppliers of quartz and natural stone worktops, with the ability to offer friendly expert advice and the flexibility to respond to individual requests. Of course, quality is very important to Jetstone, with its primary aim to exceed its customers' expectations. To achieve this aim, Jetstone has developed numerous quality control measures throughout the entire process. Jetstone is renowned for offering one of the largest selections of granite and composite stone available. The best known type of stone for worktops is granite, a natural solid material with high resistance to scratching and heat, available in dozens of colors. Quartz composite is another material which is regularly used and has grown in popularity over recent years. This is a man-made stone, manufactured with very similar qualities to granite, that benefits from a consistent look throughout the slab and is manufactured in an enormous range of colors. Every order that's received is first carefully checked with our technical sales department, who will then produce drawings to be returned with an order confirmation for the customer to check and approve. The actual production starts in our warehouse, where we have trucks arriving weekly, loaded with new and different materials from all over the globe. Each slab is inspected as it's unloaded and checked for any imperfections, and only once the Jetstone operative is satisfied that it meets with the strict tolerances, it will be accepted into stock. An enormous gantry crane carefully selects the required slabs and lifts them to the sawing department for the worktops to be cut to length by the fully automatic sawing machine using its huge diamond blade. The technical drawing is projected on the slab of granite, so our technician can see exactly how the worktop should be cut from the granite slab. At the same time, the machine saws the other sections which will be needed to give this worktop the solid look of an 8 cm thick worktop. Once the worktop blanks have been cut to the correct size and shapes, they are ready to proceed through to the next stage of production. First of all, the worktops are assembled together with the sections of stone for the edging that will then give the appearance of the worktop being manufactured from 8 cm thick solid stone. We then add strips to the underside of the worktop to give the worktop stability so that it will fit securely to the kitchen cabinets. The underside of the worktop is now calibrated to make sure that all of the components, including the strips, are of equal depth and will be able to fit perfectly flat onto the kitchen cabinets. The edges are all polished by hand to ensure a perfect finish with no sharp edges and to achieve the appearance of a perfect 8 cm thick worktop. Sink and hob cutouts are the next thing that's required, and these are produced on a CNC machine. The machine receives all the technical data electronically from the appliance manufacturers. The information is programmed directly into the CNC machine by computer, and the cutouts are automatically formed with accuracy and precision. The last stage of production is the final quality control check. Here, every inch of the finished worktops is cleaned and inspected, and a protective sealant is applied on those worktops that require it. The worktop is now ready to be sent out to the customer. Jetstone has its own fleet of purpose-built trucks, fitted with specially designed ramps and lifts to transport the worktops safely and securely across all of Europe. We are able to offer a full templating and installation service. This is provided by Jetstone's own personnel, who've been trained by Jetstone at the company's own facilities in the Netherlands. Jetstone offer reliability, quality and service for all of your requirements in beautiful stone worktops. Jetstone is your perfect partner. Jetstone. Nature, design, technology.